Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
I feel like I'm in old school heaven, y'all. I got another project I'm gonna bring to the channel. We got this 87 LS Broham, this Pete's car. I'm still doing work on it, but that ain't the project that I got. It's sitting back there. Then we got my 86 Chevy Caprice Landau. Still been sitting here. Haven't got time to get on it. We're gonna come back to this here. And we also still working on Southern Chevy TV, RIP. His 87 T-top Monte Carlo SS. Still doing work on that. And I got another project that I've been having for years. It's been sitting here since 2015. 4-door box Chevy. But this video here is about this here. It's an 87 or 88. I'm not sure what year, but I know it's an 87, 88 by the tail lights. It's pretty clean. The owner brought it to me. He want me to just flip it, change the look of it. He going with a different pinstripe. It's gonna be a maroon pinstripe, and he want me to put a pearl on it. He told me don't go all over the top with it, just sand it down and put a pearl over the top of it. But you know me, once I get on something, I'm gonna treat it like it's mine. He didn't want me to take none off, just spray it. But I'm gonna crank it up, and once I pull it out, we'll get more in depth. I'll show you more. Give you a little walk around of the SS. It's pretty clean. As far as doing the body work, it ain't gonna be much to do, to be honest with you. I ain't gotta paint the jam, so that's a plus. But this is what the inside look like. Got some different seats in the front, but everything else look original. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Said it's a one-owner car. It had 50,000, well, 51,000 original miles. All this here, I couldn't tell you what it is because I'm not no racing guy, but y'all get in the comment section, let me know what we got here. Well, I know what this is here, some gauges. Let me pop the trunk, show you how clean it is. You can see it was taken care of. Tell me what this is here. Now we're gonna see what's up under the hood. Now I don't know how I'm gonna pop the hood. Let me get with Justin and see. I just wanted to cut you back on to show you how clean this dash is. There's not one crack in it. Headliner's still intact. Look like it done faded, but other than that, it still looks good. But that dash A1. Six 6.0 twin turbo. There go the turbos. Holler intake. EFI. I don't know what I'm looking at. Like I said before, I ain't too much into racing. I just been getting into it lately. But I'm learning though. Y'all stay tuned for all the videos coming up on it. Shouldn't be too many because like I said, it's gonna be a quick job. But y'all still stay tuned though. I'm finna take a ride in the old MC. See what it's doing. Put my seatbelt on.
This moment that he knew he fucked up.
You can't post that video.
Yeah, that's gonna get all the views done. Yeah.
The motherfucker ain't no joke.
Dang. That's real live footage there.
No, I think it needs some gas. You heard it sputtering?
I don't know.
No, it was sputtering. When it sputtered, it needed some gas. And then when that bitch caught up, we had all the boost.
Yeah.
Hey, you gotta get out, man.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.